So Rachel, we're standing here at Old Trafford Cricket Ground, bizarrely surrounded by 700 baskets of tiny chocolate eggs. And in fact, that makes 700,000 eggs in total. And the reason we've got all these eggs around us is that that number represents the number of eggs that we both had in our ovaries when we were born. And then it...
1,000.
Yeah, it's a phenomenal number, isn't it? But they're actually declining. They were declining before we were born, and they carry on declining after birth. And in fact, even before we start ovulating, if you say we start at 700,000 at birth, by the time we start ovulating, in fact, more than half of those have gone.
Really?
Yeah, and there's just 300,000 left when they actually start coming out of the ovary. Nothing Rachel has to be unduly concerned about, though. In your mid-20s, you still have around 100,000 eggs. But in 10 years or so, she'll start to hear the ticking of her biological clock. And after that, the days of her fertility are numbered. Your eggs will carry on declining in number as you get older as well. In fact, by the time you're in your late 30s, they're down to about 25,000. And then the decline gets faster and faster and faster until by the time you hit the menopause, you're just down to 1,000.
Gosh.
So there we go, just one basket of eggs left at the end. And in fact, although it seems remarkable that we've gone from 700 baskets to one basket, even that one basket actually contains more eggs than you really need in your life. Because if you were to add up all the months between the start of ovulation and the finish of ovulation, you only actually need about 400 or 500 eggs.
All right.
And you only need one to make a baby.
Yes.